Hey up guys, so today is Saturday the 18th of September. Dave's waiting for me to throw his ball, aren't you? Oh God, let me get this over and done with. Oh. So I've come down to the unit, I'm going to do some more work on the Thunderace, and if I've got time I'm going to get the petrol tank back on my ZX12. I'm in agony this morning because I fucking fell down steps. Well, I fell down the last 3 steps. I got up at about 6 o'clock and I thought I was going down the steps and I thought I'd reached the bottom of the steps, if you know what I mean. But I was like literally 3 steps from the bottom and I just fucking fell over. Smacked my head on the wall, my fucking foot's killing me. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Thunderace out. I'm going to attempt to put on the wiring loom today, but I'll show you what else I've put on. I've put on the radiator, I've put on the exhaust, stuff like that. So give me 2 and I'll get the bike out. So the wiring loom's on the floor. I've got loads of stuff to do. I need a new pickup coil for it. I should have cleaned up the radiator, but fuck it, I just need to get it back on the road as soon as I can. So I'm going to put these other pipes on. That's a load of shit in it. I should have fucking at least put a bit of paint on it. So I'm going to put these other pipes on down to oil cool and stuff, and then up to there. I'll put them on. There's all sorts to do on it. All I want to do is just get it up and get it running, get it back on the road, and then when I have more time and have other stuff less to do, then I'll do a project with it. I'm just going to run it as a running bike over winter, I think, to be honest with you. So that's all it's going to be used for. So I'll put a few pipes on, and then what I'll do then is I'll give you another shout, probably in about an hour or so, which will be about a second for you. So bye. Phew, what a time I have had with this. So I've now got nearly all the wiring loom on. So it's back to there, runs under there, there's a few connectors there. The stuff that goes to the ECU there, then the loom comes out of there and then up to the front, and then there's a bit that comes up here, and there's a whole shit of wires there. Some of the pins in that were bent, so it won't go in, so I had to take all the fucking under tray off because I couldn't get, because that nut, that little Allen screw that holds the CDI on, were rusted, so I had to take all the fucking ribs, take this off again, to get to that, to unscrew it, to straighten the pins, to then put it all back together to plug it back in. So that was a pain in the ass. The clip off that broke, so I had to glue that. I can't put it back on yet because I'm waiting for the glue to set rock hard. Obviously that's for the petrol tank. There's 2 plugs here, and I'm just trying to work out what they're for. One's for the pickup. Come round here. So I know that one of them, 100% will be for the pickup there. It'll go up. I'm just trying to work out what the other one's for. Forgotten. But I'll suss it out anyway. So the wires for the batteries there. Even though the exhaust... Oh, right, hang on. Yeah, the X-up server is still connected, even though it don't work. That's the throttle position sensor, that's the right hand switches. I've got to connect all the other stuff up here, to there. I've just put on the radiator ones, and I forgot that when I was taking this off, that was absolutely solid, that screw, which then snaps that, so I need to redo that and either try and get that screw out or stick that somewhere else. I've got a frigging dog and all he wants me to do is throw frigging bricks for him every 2 seconds. I've put them 2 little pipes on that go down to the oil cooler. So throttle cables are on as well. So you probably won't be able to see it, but anyway, the throttle cables are on. So we're getting there slowly. There's quite a few more things to do, to be honest with you, but we will. Look what I've just found for the rear brake light. Right, so that needs plugging up. In fact, that's for that one there, look. That's for that one. Right. So I found the rear brake light one, and it's just the pickup one. So I might call it a do after I've connected them two. And then I'll put that panel where he's fucked. I might put the front mud guard on. Anyway, I'll see what I do. So it's coming there. It's coming together slowly. We're slowly getting a bike back together. I won't get it running this weekend, but I'll definitely get it running next weekend. I promise you. So, here we go. Look, he's heard another dog. So I'll definitely get it going for next weekend. So, but anyway, there'll be a bit more in this video to follow. Right, so I've put the headlights thing on. Obviously the bracket needs to go on to hold it there, but I need to put the airbox on first. But before I put the airbox on, I need to get myself a pickup and wire that up, and make sure all the wires are done. Then I can put the airbox on, then I can put the tank on. And so on. So I'm not going to be able to do that today. I need to order a pickup. I'm going to get one off eBay or something. I've got one in there, but I think the engine is stuck right at the back and I can't be fucking arsed to get it out. So I've routed all the wires up, connected everything up. Obviously I need to put the clutch casing back on, but I need the chain, and then before I get the chain I need a link. So once I've got the chain on, I can put the clutch casing back on and stuff like that. Then I can put the gear selector back on properly. So we're getting there now. I've connected the speedo drive up, so it's just the mud guard. I was going to put the mud guard on, but I can't find any fucking bolts, so I've got some at home somewhere, so I'll have to dig them out. But anyway, so I'm getting there slowly, nearly back to a full bike, so I think it'll definitely be running by next weekend. I need some nuts for the exhaust. I also need a bracket for the swinging arm there, look. So it's all little shitty bits now that I need to do. But anyway, we're getting there slowly. So I might dig my 1200 out. And fuck about with that for an hour, and then I'm off home then. So right, so that's the Thunderace.